my name is Saiasmi Gupta. I'm 9 years old. I'm the co-founder of 10xforthekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and comment down below if you like it. Share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do it and press the notification bell beside it. So today's topic, as you must be knowing, is Python. Yay! And chapter was escape characters. So are you ready? I am, and I'm feeling too excited. So without any delay, let's get started, guys. Okay, 1 second. Yep. So this is my web browser Chrome, and I'll go on W3 Schools. And I'll scroll down. Here it is, Learn Python. And strings. 1 second. Yeah. So escape characters Python. Escape character. To insert characters that are illegal in a string, use an escape character. An escape character is a backslash followed by the character you want to insert. An example of an illegal character is a double quote inside a string that is surrounded by double quotes. So, you will get an error if you use double quotes inside a string that is surrounded by double quotes. I have made a variable called text. I then wrote we are so called Vikings, and in between I have given double quotes and then from the north. Now it will bring an error as this string should be starting from here and it should take till the north, but we have given a string over here only, and over here only it will stop. Then what will happen, of what will we do of the rest of the words? That's why it is, and it will bring an error. Okay, this must be really clear. Okay, let's go on. To fix this problem, use the escape character. Now, if you want to fix this problem, you will have to use the escape character. Correct, guys? Now, I made variable called text, and I've written we are so called Vikings from the north. Now it will not bring an error as I've given an escape character. As I told you, if I will just remove these escape characters, then it will bring an error. So thank you, escape characters. Yeah, I'll run the code. Then double quotes will be entered. See? Yay! That was too easy actually. Yeah. So there are, like, we did a single quote escape character right now. Backslash. Okay. So I've made a variable called text, and I've written this will insert one backslash, and I have given here two backslash. Now whenever in a code you will give two backslash, then one backslash will enter in your code. See, I'll just run the code and show you. See, it entered one backslash. Oh, now, new line. I will 1 second. Yeah. I've written hello, then a backslash and n, and then world. Okay, and then obviously I've written in print. Okay, so now I want that it should insert after hello. I want that in the code it should enter a new line, and I want to use an escape character and do it. So I have to code like this. See, I had run the code before only. So see, this is the output. This must be clear, guys. Now carried return is the same, just we are in this the difference is that the letters are different R and N. So you can use any one. Yeah. So let's go on. Tab. Now, you guys must be knowing there's a key on your keyboard which is called tab. And if you will press that key, then it will enter many spaces. Okay? So now I have like written hello and backslash and T and will then print text. Okay? So I have given a backslash and T, and now when I'll run the code, after hello there will be a tab and then world. See, I had already run the code for you before only. See, this must be surely clear. Backspace. Now I've given a variable called text and I've written hello space and then a backslash b and a world, and then I've given a print statement that print text. Now I have given a space and then I've written a backslash and like an escape character and backslash, then only it will remove this space. Okay, yeah. So if you like want to remove a backspace from the code, one second guys, this over here only it brings a problem. Yeah, see, I wrote the code. If you want to remove the backspace, you will have to code like this. Okay. So form feed, octal value, hex value are really advanced levels and you will not understand them right now. So this was for today's strength part 6. Okay guys. So thank you. I hope you liked the video. As I said, just see my videos, see my brother's videos, subscribe, share, press like button and comment down below. Now, if you have any doubt, contact me or write in the comments. I would surely love I would clear your doubts in the comments. Okay guys, so I hope you like the video. Bye, stay safe.